Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters. I hope you're having a Boston day. I hope you're more safe and well with all the craziness that's going on in the world today. But today we're going to be changing the chain tensioner on our BMW E34 540. So I don't mind you, stick around and we will show you how. Now you might be asking yourself why we're changing the chain tensioner for. If you remember from, I think it was the last video, when I had the bonnet open, there was a bit of a ticking sound. It sounded a bit like that. You can hear a bit of a tick. I don't know how audible that's going to be, but there's a bit of a tick there, and that is the chain tensioner not doing what it should be doing. Slack it. So what we're going to do is remove fuse number 23, which is the fuel pump fuse. Basically, so when we put the tensioner back in and we build oil pressure up after we change the oil, the engine won't be able to start, so we can build oil pressure in the engine before the engine actually starts, so it'll pump out the tensioner and take any slack in the chain before the engine will actually start. But first we have to start the engine. Now you can jack the car up and find your 26mm and 17mm, and we'll drop the oil basically, which is simply as taking the sun plug out, then all the oil drain out, remove your oil filter, make sure it's all out, put your sun plug back in, your new filter in there, and top up the oil. With me? I'm not going to make this video too long, so I can show you all the oil change process. But it's a good idea when you change the chain tensioner to also replace the oil. So once you drop the oil, you need to remove your air box and your water reservoir for your intensive wash wipes and your windscreen bottle as well. This is really an easy job, really take very in depth. Once it's more mined over, you expect it to be a really good, tricky job, but it's not really that in depth at all. And pretty much it's a flat-headed screwdriver on here, and there's some, I think it's 10mm, it's 10 bolts. I ain't got any, but I've got one, and it's a flat-head screwdriver on this side, and that should come off. There we just got to remove the airbox. What am I talking about? The water tanks. Remember to put all these stuff here. You can find them again. It should be right down here. So if you're having trouble finding this, literally there, it's that bit that sticks out there, and get a 19mm spanner or socket. Get it out. Will push out when that's the cap of it. Yeah, and I'll come back through. Let me see what it is. I don't think it was doing much. Brought a brand new one from BMW, and this one comes compact. If it don't come compact, just take it back. Now, because you brought a genuine BMW part, it should get back relatively easy. Just remember, when you do it, your instinct will be to run and turn the car on. Don't do it. shop last time. Was the tensioner. I should put it on there. A bit too easy. What do you think? Wait for something for it to be in brake. I did put the ring on, don't I? It's always something it's quite, it's too easy with this rebuilding kit normally. You have balls somewhat off and it's trolling you a little bit. So remember your fuel fuse is out. Turn the car over a couple of times.
Well, yeah.
Get a good couple of times.
Yeah.
It won't take doing the engine no harm, is it?
No.
The longer you keep it running for, the better. So remember folks, the car won't start. Just crank it over to build up oil pressure essentially.
Yeah, some more there.
Just do have a bit of brake between so you don't want to burn it your dart matter. The sketchiest time this is, people. Fuel fuse back in. So that's how you change the timing chain tensioner.
Yeah, on the M60.
Your V8.
Oh.
Now, if you're watching through for a bit of different in time, that was because I left the oil and filter in the back of car one.
Yeah, and
but Dad was using. So we had to wait for Dad to finish work basically, as he would.
So if your car's done over 100k and you're not sure if the tensioner has been changed, then it might be worth investing in a new tensioner.
Also, if you am going through all the bits what we're going through, on the next video we'll be changing the PCV valve on BMW E34 540i.
Which again should be changed at 80k.
And at the end of that video I'm going to take the diaphragm, is it a diaphragm?
It is, yeah.
The diaphragm off, yeah, and see if there's any cracks in it.
Interesting viewing, yeah.
Yeah, BMW's done a 130,000 miles. So we'll see what that's like, because I doubt it's ever been changed.
I doubt it.
Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a Boston day, Boston night, Boston evening, a Boston time. I hope you're fit, healthy and safe with all the madness that's been going on around the world. But until next time,
goodbye.
Bye bye.